Right, just a quick video. I wanted to show you something I'd made. I wanted to make the most simplest kind of deadfall trigger, like the simplest you could get, if you know what I mean. So this is the simplest thing I could come up with. It's got a base like a normal figure four, but it's got a base on the bottom, so it simply just stands. There's no I'm trying to balance it. It's a figure four basically, so your weight or your cage would sit there, and then when this is pressed down it flips and the cage comes down. A screw there, a bolt there, and then this is the front angle. It's just comes straight up, across and up like that. And even if this thing seems short, you could always extend this with a stick, or you could do the old trick which I've shown before of you have a piece of string coming down to a treadle plate, so when they stand on the treadle plate it will pull that down and the cage will go off, or trap with the dead, the trigger will go off. So it's so simple that even a 5-year-old could use it. Now I've made this, gave it to a 5-year-old, and they just figured it out, and then even show it. Well, I showed them kind of like that how to do it, and then they did it straight away and could set it up. So that's the simplest deadfall trigger I've ever seen, in my opinion.
Now open it.